1,000 people without power at this hour as the heavy rain continues to shift to the south. The new severe thunderstorm warning has been kind of readjusted now for Glenpool, Bixby, Mounds, Beggs, down into southern portions of Creek County. And
are we still included in that?
Continue to stretch to the south.
Okay, we're just outside the warning now, okay. But we are getting wind still, somewhat.
Going across northern portions of Oklahoma, from Keene, Kansas to Copan, east into Nowata, dealing with very heavy rain in Nowata right now. Lenapaw dealing with moderate to heavy rainfall, cloud to ground lightning strikes in your area. This continues to push to the north. I'll put a lapse on this activity. So this is
kind of just letting this roll, just so I have this video if I ever want to look back on this date.
North, and this is moving south, away from the Tulsa area. So this is going to begin to change. All right, Tulsa Police Department reporting northbound lanes around 8701. That's south Yale, completely flooded. So TBD reporting northbound lanes around 91st and Yale.
Oh, here we go.
And so you want to avoid that, please.
I hear wind. Yeah, here we go. We're getting some stronger stuff happening.
Thank you, Mike. Yeah, we see examples of storm damage all across the metro and really heavy in the West Tulsa and Sand Springs area.
I don't know if this is getting, you can hear it on video, but wow, here we go. We're getting really strong wind again.
The West 41st Street and Union area fell on top of a truck there.
Okay, we're kind of lagging with video, but we're okay.
No one was home at the time, so no injuries, thankfully.
I think the lightning is kind of messing with the camera. Wow.
Took the brunt of the damage there with the downed tree. All right, thank you, Brian, for that update from the news desk. Brian Karen been working the wire, the headlines all afternoon. We'll be checking in with them tonight at 6 for an updated newscast where we're going to be on a full hour from 6 to 7 o'clock. It's the way every
Jeez, the rain is coming down hard.
With 2 works for you. So these storms continue to stretch the south into northern portions of Logan County. Heavy rainfall, a lot of lightning, cloud to ground lightning strikes.
Oh my gosh.
Really taking over the main story here in
Outside right now, I'd be probably blown away. This is insane.
you give us an update on your
Look at how, okay. Can I like zoom in? Hold on.
give us an update.
Look at that! Water is being, you could see the wind blowing off that van. It's hard to tell, but you can kind of see it.
Thank you very much for that update.
That's insane.
Again, severe storm moving across southern Tulsa County, and the main concern is just a lot of lightning right now. It has weakened considerably.
No, it has not weakened. This is insane. It may have weakened some, but this is still intense. We lost, oh gosh, it actually bounced the trampoline for a second there. But we lost a leg of the trampoline. So that's a thing. And then if I go over here, we have cushions that got blown away. Or not blown away, but blown down. You can just see the rain just tearing across the area. Yeah, this is insane. And I'm going with a long video on this because I might actually upload this to YouTube. This might be a good thing to upload to YouTube, actually. Yeah, I'll probably upload this to YouTube. Because this is... Whew. Tulsa is getting wrecked with rain. Like, wow. And it's not moving. That's insane. Okay. Unless anything else happens, I guess I'll record again, but I'm going to stop recording for now.